Open LR-Link official website. Find the search bar at the top right of the homepage. Enter product model. Select the corresponding network adapter after jumping to the page. Scroll down the page and select driver download. For Windows 64-bit and 32-bit users, please select the corresponding driver to download. Open the download folder and unzip it. Linux system users can copy and transfer the driver folder via USB flash drive. Linux system users can skip this. Be sure to install the network card first. Select Start, then Device Manager. Find Other Devices and select Ethernet Controller. Select Ethernet Controller and right-click to update driver. Select Browse My Computer for driver. Click Browse. Find the file you just unzipped and select the entire folder. Click OK. Click Next. Click Close. Repeat previous steps. Repeat the steps according to the number of network card ports. Repeat previous steps. Repeat previous steps. Repeat previous steps. Find network adapters and check the installation properties. Double-click left mouse button. Select driver. Check version number. Installation successful. Enter SCSI. Grab IS to check the network card. After entering the command, press Enter. If the selected information is displayed as shown above, it means that the network card is installed normally. Enter ls to check the files in the path. Enter unzip加 driver package name to decompress the file. If you have already unzipped, please ignore this step. Enter ls to check the files in the path. Enter cd加 folder name to enter the folder. Enter rpm ivh加 driver name to start installation. The MAC address of the box selected area starts with 6C, B311, which is the LR-Link network card network port. Enter F2N28S0 to check the driver version number. Installation completed.